أهلا وسهلا يا شباب. So welcome to a new part. And yes, in this video, like I mentioned before, we are going to set up Slack. So I hope you had time to install Slack. Just if you go to slack.com, go here on product, then you go to download Slack, and then you can download Slack for your operating system. I hope you had time to do this. Otherwise, just pause the video and do it right now. And if you've done so, just open your Slack application. In the previous video, we added the channel. Just go and add channels, and then you can create a new channel. And we create this CI/CD-for-API channel. Next, we are going to configure or just generate a webhook. Click on your name. Click on Settings and Administration. Then go down to Manage Apps. Manage Apps. Click on it. A site gets opened. Now here on the right side, you see your name. On the left side, you see build. Click on build. And then you see this window and you click on create an app. We want an app from scratch. Click on it. Give it a name. Just make sure you don't use some weird symbols. Just, I don't know, just write pipeline for backend. Select the workspace. It will be your name. So after you, from the drop down, you selected your workspace, create app. And you should see this basic information window. You can scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. You can add an avatar and so on. And yes, basic information, but we are looking for incoming webhooks. There it is. So the site is opened, and then you just go a little bit down until you see incoming webhooks. Click on incoming webhooks. So it says now the incoming webhooks are deactivated, but we want to activate it. Now it's on. That's great. What we are now going to do is now going to do is add a new workspace, add a new webhook to our workspace. Search for a channel. We have to define a channel. Here we have the CI/CD for API. Say allow. This might take a few minutes or so, or seconds, I hope. Okay. Now we have a webhook URL. This is everything we need right now, but let's just move to Slack. Just open Slack. As you can see, something happened here. Joined CI/CD -for-API. And as you can see, added integration to this channel, pipeline for backend. That's great. So we now know that linking worked. But what we are next test is this webhook URL. We're just sending a request. Just say you copy. As you can see, I just press it a couple of times. Here you just say open your terminal, and in your terminal you just say paste. And it says, I don't know if you can see it, it says okay. And now open again Slack. Now it says hello world. This message got triggered. And that's currently it for now regarding testing. Now we can just grab the webhook URL. Grab it, say copy. And the next thing is we need to go to GitHub, to a GitHub repository. Make sure you really copied it. For me right now, it will be this repository, CI/CD -tutorial -YouTube. Click on it, go to settings. On the settings, look to your left. There you see secrets and variables. Click on actions. And then you see actions and secrets and variables. Click on new repository secret. First, here in secret, paste the value. Just as you can see, I pasted in the webhook URL. And now the most important part, we have to give it a proper name, the secret name. We already defined it. If you open your IDE again, this thing here, secrets, will access our secrets in our repository. And it will access the secret with this name. So just copy now this name, go back to your browser, paste it in here. And this is everything we need to do. The name needs exactly to be this name, which we defined here in secrets, because it will, as I mentioned before, access our secrets in our pipeline. And yeah, and then we need to paste the webhook URL from, yeah, it was here on our GitHub, on our Slack page. Okay, sorry for the confusion. If you've done so, if you added the proper secret name with the proper secret value, just add secret. And now the secret is added. And now if you want to change something, you cannot see anything. Like for instance, if you want to edit it, as you can see, there is nothing. We cannot edit it. So it gets encrypted. We cannot access it again. But for now, just press again on copy. So go back to my GitHub page, say again paste, update secret. Now it asks me for my password. Okay, it got properly updated, and that should be it for now. Now, as you saw, we added the proper webhook URL to our secrets, and from the next tutorial on, we will start adding more stuff in here. And yeah, that's it for now. See you in the next tutorial, Shabab. Ila liqa.